Hello students, we will discuss drugs and autonomic nervous system. In this we will discuss alpha receptor agonist. In alpha receptor agonist, first we will discuss alpha 1 agonist, that is phenylephrine. The phenylephrine is selective alpha 1 agonist. These drugs are commonly used when peripheral vasoconstriction is needed and cardiac output is adequate, as in hypotension that may accompany spinal anesthesia, as well as it is used in patients with coronary artery disease or aortic stenosis to increase the coronary perfusion pressure without chronotropic side effects. The phenylephrine has rapid onset and relative short duration of action. The duration of action is 5 to 10 minutes when it is given intravenously. It may be given in bolus dose. The bolus dose is 40 to 100 microgram or by infusion. At a starting rate of infusion is 10 to 20 microgram per minute. The larger doses up to 1 milligram are used to slow the supraventricular tachycardia through reflex action. The phenylephrine is also used as a mydriatic and nasal decongestant. In anesthesia, it is applied topically, alone or mixed with local anesthetic gel to prepare nostril for nasotracheal intubation. It is also added to local anesthetic to prolong subarachnoid block. Now we will see selective partial agonist for alpha 2 adenoreceptors, that is clonidine. The alpha 2 agonists are of importance as anesthetic adjuvants and analgesics. Their primary effect is sympatholytic. They reduce peripheral norepinephrine release by stimulation of pre-junctional inhibitory alpha 2 adenoreceptors. They also inhibit central neural transmission in the dorsal horn by presynaptic and postsynaptic mechanisms. It also have direct sympatholytic effects on spinal preganglionic sympathetic neurons. Now we will see drug clonidine. Clonidine, the prototypical drug of this class, clonidine is selective partial agonist for alpha 2 adenoreceptors. The ratio is alpha to alpha 1 is 200:1. Its antihypertensive effects are caused by central and peripheral attenuation of sympathetic outflow, and it has got central action of non-adrenergic imidazoline preferring receptors. The decrease in central sympathetic outflow reduces activity in peripheral sympathetic neurons without affecting baroreceptor reflex. The arterial blood pressure is thereby decreased without the accompanying orthostatic hypotension, as it is produced in other antihypertensive drugs. That is an advantage. There is no orthostatic hypotension because clonidine is lipid soluble. It penetrates the blood-brain barrier to reach hypothalamus and medulla. The clonidine withdrawal may precipitate hypertensive crisis. So, it should be continued throughout the perioperative period. The labetalol has been used to treat these withdrawal symptoms. These drugs clonidine reduces anesthetic requirement and provide more stable cardiovascular course due to their sympatholytic effect and need for lower doses of cardioactive anesthetics. It can be given orally, intravenously, epidurally, intrathecally. it can potentiate the anesthetic action of other anesthetics such as volatile anesthetics, injectable anesthetics. It reduces general and regional anesthetic requirement with few side effects. In addition to their use in operative settings, alpha 2 agonists provide effective analgesia for acute and chronic pain. That they can be used as adjuvant to local anesthetic and opioids. Addition of clonidine increases the duration of analgesia and it reduces dose requirement of local anesthetic as well as narcotic pain medications. Epidural clonidine is indicated for the treatment of intractable pain. Then clonidine also decreases post-operative oxygen consumption and adrenergic stress response. It causes dose-dependent adverse effects as hypotension, bradycardia can occur. It do not produce profound respiratory depression. Then clonidine has been used to treat panic disorders, symptoms of opiate, benzodiazepine and ethanol withdrawal. The clonidine can also be used in patients with cigarette craving after smoking cessation. It is used in emesis in cancer chemotherapeutic regimes. It is used in diabetic diarrhea. Clonidine may increase blood glucose concentrations by inhibition of insulin. Clonidine does not cause urinary retention and may hasten the time to first micturition after spinal anesthesia. Thank you.